Hey everyone, what's good? It's your boy Archer, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about XRP and my price prediction for XRP. Now before we begin, I am not a financial advisor, guys. Anything I say on this video is not financial advice. I am only sharing my biased opinion based off of market speculation and my personal experience. Please always understand that investing is always a risk. You should always do your own research before embarking on any investment or investment platforms. Now with that said, guys, let's hop onto the charts. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about technical analysis strictly. I won't be diving into any fundamentals, apart from the fact that Ripple is in a current SEC lawsuit, and that is what I need you to always have in mind. Alright, so this here is my wave analysis charting of the XRP. Now according to my own personal analysis, this is still in a third cycle. Okay, we have some subwaves here and I'm going to jump straight into that. However, I'd like to talk about these channels that I have plotted out over here. This channel is an upward channel and this is a downward channel, kind of like a corrective pattern from the impulse coming all the way from beginning of this year. Now I also like to point out that as of last year, XRP highest price was at 0.98 and lowest price was at 0.16. However, for these years we did see a lot of bullish momentum, especially towards the second quarter of the year, which was excellent for all XRP holders. We created a highest high for the season or for the year of 1.96. That is amazing news. However, shortly after the 19th of April, we started seeing a lot of correction. Latest correction was at 0.6 level, and this correction was also due to a lot of heavy fundamental news. Now, I'd like to just share two key fundamental news that happened towards last week. Number one, which was Elon Musk, especially when he tweeted that Tesla will no longer be receiving Bitcoin as official payment for Tesla, and the Chinese government banning financial payment institutions from using cryptocurrencies. So, reason why I brought up the channel is simply because of these guys. If you see this channel here, okay, Ripple was moving towards the lower part of the channel and then spiked up to the upper part of the channel. Similarly, during this corrective phase here, it did trend below and above this downtrend channel, and currently it is still in the bottom part of this channel, or in the bottom layer of this channel. Now I want to talk about reason why I personally invested some money into XRP around this region here. Okay, point number one is simply because of the intersection of this downward channel and the upward channel right here. There we go. This here, guy, is a cluster, and the reason why this was really relevant to me is simply because of other confluences that I noticed within the cluster. And of course, you know this, guys, this is basic. Whenever you have a cluster, meaning we have a lot of interest in that particular price range. Okay, the next thing I would like to do is pull up my Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'm going to pick it from the lowest, which was recorded this year, January 23rd, to the highest point of the year around April 19th or April 21st. Let me just come here and filter out my area of interest, which is exactly here. So price dropped all the way in between the 61.8% retracement and 78.6 retracement, which is also in line with this cluster over here. Now if I draw a support over here, you can see that this is a perfect support with the previous high of last year. Okay, so that is my confluence number two. Confluence number three, which is really relevant to me as well, I'm going to pull up my moving day averages, and you would notice that price bounced perfectly on the 200-day moving average. This served for me as confluence number three. Let me just go ahead and remove the other moving averages so we keep a clean chart and we focus on why I invested more into XRP this year. And so there we go, confluence number 3. And of course, the fourth confluence, which is more related towards price action, is this bullish engulfing candle over here, which tells me that we had a lot of buyers jumping into the market in this level over here, or in this price action over here. Now, I personally bought a handful of ripples around this area here, which is the 0.96295 area. Don't get me wrong, I still invested some amount somewhere up here because I didn't think this retracement would fall so deep. However, like I mentioned earlier, the negative news throughout last week that actually crashed the whole crypto market by at least 70% also affected Ripple dramatically. However, I think with this support level, Ripple is kind of in a safe zone right now. This is my own personal opinion. And since we're done with why I decided to buy more Ripple, I'm gonna move ahead to tell you where I feel Ripple is going to go to in this cycle. Now, just to make things clear, I am still of the opinion that Ripple is still in this third cycle over here. So we have the first wave here, second wave, which was also a retracement, A, B, C, D, E, and then we had a first impulse move 1, corrective 2. The first impulse would have had 5 subwaves and then followed by a WXY correction. Now, where could Ripple go to next? So of course we have to complete this sequence over here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I take my Fibonacci extension tool from this point right here, according to wave theory, third wave usually extends to 1.68, even all the way to the 2.2, 2.4, or 2.6 level. However, I'm not trying to be too optimistic. I'm just going to keep it really plain and simple and assume that Ripple may pump up to 1.6. That leaves us with a $3.4 Ripple, and then followed by a correction. I see this wave ending around the 5.4 level, which is approximately $5.4. Now, this is my own personal opinion, guys. My own personal opinion. This is not a financial advice, as I said earlier in my video. Okay, so of course this isn't just gonna shoot up one way, just like this. It's impossible. If this would be exactly this, then a lot of people would get rich instantly. No, I personally think that there is still a lot of fear in the market, and the market is still going to consolidate in this area here before giving a push to the upside. Now, personally, I am one of the people that think that Ripple is undervalued. The technology behind it is really amazing, and I see great heights for this pair, XRP USD, especially if they're through with the SEC lawsuit, which by the way looks really positive over the past few weeks. Personally, I think we should be seeing a very bullish XRP in the next coming months. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have my Telegram channel link in the description below. Please join this to also follow my regular updates on the favorite cryptos I follow. Now guys, once again, it's your boy Archer. See you next time.